Hold on. Wait a second. Are you holding your mobile phone? Okay. If not, you must be watching me on your laptop, isn't it? Well, do you know how computers used to look in 1950s? They were giant, literally consumed the space of a room and weighed around 30 tons. Today, we hardly carry a laptop of 3 kg, maybe even it might have a less weight than that. You know how these computers became so compact and run super fast? And our mobile phone runs like swish, transaction done, work done. How all this is happening? Any idea? Well, stay tuned till the end. I'll let you know about the most prominent factor which has its contribution in it. But if I have to summon all this in a one word, I'll call it science. And if you are someone who is eager to know about the things which are coming up in the field of science, then don't miss on any part and watch this video till the end. Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video, where we start a new series to cover all about the different categories under Forbes 30 under 30. So today we are going to talk about the field of science, so that people who wish to be part of it know all the details about it and know about the people who have made it in this list, and also most importantly understand that you can make it here only if you enjoy what you do and if you follow your passion. Today, I will be talking about the startups in the field of science. Also, will be sharing some of the stories of their owners and also about what you can be doing in this industry if you are interested to do something here. To tell a bit about me, I am Gayatri and I am professionally a teacher, instructor or educator. So you can call me anything from this. And apart from this, I am also a writer, a poet, and love to explore the world around me. Before we move ahead, let us understand what science is. Science is what we do to find out about the natural world. Science also produces accurate facts, scientific laws and theories. Science also refers to the huge knowledge that we see around us today and that has been founded by discoveries of science. Research uses the scientific method. Scientific research uses hypothesis, which is based on the ideas or earlier knowledge which can be categorized through different topics. Then those hypotheses are tested by experiments, and people who study research and science and try to find out everything about it are called as scientists. Scientists study things by looking at them very carefully and by measuring them and by experiments and tests. Scientists try to explain why things act the way they do and predict what will happen. Cool, no? Now, let's see who is the person who made it in Forbes 30 under 30. She is Priyanka Das Rajakakati, 29 years old, PhD student from ISEE Supero and also an artist. Priyanka Das Rajakakati, a space scientist cum artist, growing up in Delhi and having this dual interest in arts and in science to pursue her passion as a career to become a space scientist. Wow, a great journey. Not everyone gets a chance to send their artwork to the moon, but she made it. She made this by involving in the Moon Gallery project with the International Lunar Exploration Working Group. And this really sets an example that even you can follow up your interest while you are pursuing your career. Now let us see how she made it. Priyanka Das Rajakakati, PhD student, ISEE Supero, an artist. She was born in the city of Shimla in the Himalayan mountains and grew up in Delhi. She was always very passionate about space, so she started her academic career with a bachelor's degree in physics honors from St. Stephen College, University of Delhi. Later, she joined École Polytechnique for its 4 years engineering politician program, specializing her third year in data science. The fourth year, when she had the possibility of joining another École d'Application, was when she joined ISEE Supero for a double degree master's in aerospace engineering, specializing in autonomous systems and data science. She has the ability to be truly herself in everything she undertakes, not trying to mimic others, but instead bringing her own genuine personality to work. This will inspire others around her, definitely. There are multiple high points in Raja Kakate's career as a space scientist. Among them is being selected to submit her artwork to be part of an international moon gallery project that aims to send art to the moon via a lunar lander mission. Raja Kakate's submission comprises two objects constrained inside a 1 cm cube box. A strip of paper with hand-drawn faces of moon in glow-in-the-dark ink and a nano SIM card that contains artistic simulations that are coded using Python programming language. Inspired by her Indian roots and Vedic influence, the work is named as Bheda Deepika, an illustration of duality. While Raja Kakate's academic track record is outstanding, what makes her stand out is beyond that, says Jerome Villa, leader of space rocket maker Ariane Works. Future innovation leaders who will tackle the challenges of tomorrow, beginning with climate change, won't be pure hardcore engineers, but also women and men who have the right qualities to get the best from the people surrounding them. Humility, curiosity, tolerance, respect, etc. Now let's talk about the thing which you all were waiting for. Let's see what you can be doing in this industry. Based on factors like innovation, level of study and average pay, students can prioritize these as per their interests. There is a whole wide universe of other career options for science students, and who want to pursue this field as a career, then here are top 5 things that you can do in this industry. First one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is not only the innovative and exhilarating field, but also in great demand. Moreover, large corporations are also investing huge amounts of money in people who have expertise in these processes. Freshers can earn from 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. Isn't that great? Yes? And now the second option that you can opt for is a blockchain developer, where the data is organized in blocks. These blocks are then connected with each other using cryptography. This is a very complex and new age technology famous for creating cryptocurrencies and also important statistical documents. After the boom in bitcoins, this career is surely going to rule. The third option is software designing. If you are more of a creative person, then this is the field for you. Software designing can enable you to let your imagination flow freely to create useful softwares for individuals and companies. You can pursue it even while you are studying for your undergraduate degree. However, for a more substantial and profitable career, you may want to do a specialized course in the field. Fourth, space tech. If your dreams are out of the world, then go for space tech. Basically, it is the application of digitization and technology to create tools and machines that can be used in operations related to outer space and the solar system. Space technicians create vehicles, machines and other tools that help scientists research outer space better. Fifth, geology. If rocks, earth, soil and land are your area of interest, then geology is for you. Geologists are scientists who specialize in the study of earth and soil, forecast any potential threats like earthquakes, volcanoes, etc. Based on this study, they draw up plans for builders and construction companies to create structures. At last, I would like to say that science is improvising the technology at very fast pace. The sectors that I just mentioned are doing great, but I would suggest you to do your homework and find out your interest and take a step to follow your passion, and hopefully you can also make in this list. I hope this video was helpful to you, and do share so that it reaches someone who really needs to watch this and can take that one step. If you like this video, click on the like button and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because we still have some very important information rolling in. Stay tuned, and yes, I remember transistors. Transistors are one of the reasons why our computers are very compact today. Rest, you can do your research and do your homework. Till then, bye-bye, sayonara.